In English we say you are very beautiful, but in Bhojpuri we say गुलाब जैसन खिलल बारू